Affiliate marketing tips to set you up for success. Many businesses try different strategies to increase their chances of gaining more profit. Some use search engine optimization, while others use network marketing. One strategy that businesses try is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has many great qualities, as it increases customers and profits. If you would like tips on using affiliate marketing, then watch this video. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable way to make money. Instead of actually owning the products, you refer people to buy them and make a commission off of it. One easy way to do this would be to post your website or product on a forum or blog in order to get the most people possible. Try to see how affiliated companies track outside orders. If you make a sale, but it is not concluded until later, you may miss earning the commission owed your affiliate ID. This is especially true if a customer speaks with you, and then makes the order by mail or by phone. To be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to say no to some ventures. Make sure you can handle everything that's already on your plate before you take on another task, and always remember to only involve yourself in productive tasks that will eventually lead to profits. Leave those maybe tasks for someone else to do, you need to focus on results. To get better results from your affiliate links, use only contextual links. Pages containing contextual links are more likely to garner results from search engines. Visitors are also more likely to click links if the text around them relates to the product. Promoting a product in the text around a link can significantly encourage purchases. As stated before, businesses try different strategies to gain profit. One of the strategies that businesses use is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing increases customers, which increases profits, while also advertising the product. Using the tips from this video, you can use affiliate marketing to drive your business to great success. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.